We spent a day exploring Tumpak Sewu, and let me tell you, it's amazing. It involves a very adventurous walk down some pretty slippery steps before exploring the most insanely huge cavern of a waterfall, and then we went out our very own unique Mike way. Come with us as we race headfirst into the adventure that is Tumpak Sewu. Early morning. We got picked up at 4 a.m. from Malang, and we've been driven out to Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. It's somewhere Mike's wanted to come for, I would say, over 4 years, since COVID, and obviously we couldn't get here then, so today's the day. So it's a massive waterfall, and you can see from a panorama area that there's like this crazy huge waterfall, and then there's a volcano behind it. We've come out here, we've paid our fee, we've got our tickets, we're walking down to the waterfall. Should be amazing. Apparently it's quite the walk down, and then you can walk along to a cave, and it's quite the experience. So let's go. All right, we are down a steep hill and we're heading over to the Panorama. It costs $50,000 per ticket. Wow, and there's already heaps of people here taking pictures. I think it's going to be a busy day here. Wow. And that is a massive waterfall.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubt. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand,
it's okay?
Yeah.
Very hard?
I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
So the sign says beware falling off the rock. Very helpful information there. Sorry. Danger, danger.
Slow.
Slow. Slow, slow. Very scared. Turn back to see.
stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no.
A lot of faith in Indonesian construction.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, gonna be someone else.
Just come back here and just skip these stairs to the overpass.
It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I
We're
wanna.
at the bottom of Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. It's crazy. The stairs going down were pretty slippery and very steep at points. It's doable if you take your time and hang onto the rail and go slowly. And it's pretty wild down here. You can feel mist coming, but you yet can't see the bottom of the waterfall. We've got to walk around this corner, I think. Looks like they're building a new way in and out over here. There's a little restaurant or cafe, I don't know what it is over here. It's unexpected, that's for sure. I thought it was such a
I
huge
wanna drive
waterfall.
a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in. Hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
We've just done Tumpak Sewu, and it was crazy.
It was crazy.
And we're just about to take the alternative route back up.
Which looks pretty rickety.
Yeah, it looks pretty rickety. There's not many people, so we'll find out how it goes.
Like,
Yeah,
look at those little steps.
hopefully that holds myself and Kel.
Oh my god.
Alright, steady, steady, steady.
We were told by some locals that we should go up these stairs to see the incredible viewpoint that barely anyone goes to see. Well, halfway up we realised why no one does that, because they're so dangerous. The stairs were pretty rickety. As you can see, there were just some poles that were kind of held together. Now, we did make it up to the top, spoiler alert, but honestly, I wouldn't recommend going this way. If you do choose to come down this way, you'll only pay $50,000 at the entrance, and that's all you have to pay, whereas the other direction, we paid $100,000 by the end. Honestly, at this point, I was pretty terrified, and I was really hoping this viewpoint was worth it.
Maybe now might be a good time to have travel insurance. What are we doing? You okay, Lee? Taking the alternative route here. Right, we're still climbing up the old ladder. Trying to get out of here. Right, what an interesting hike up this side. Beautiful view. Down behind me. And she's leading the stairway to heaven.
For anyone with 1 ounce of self-preservation, it's not the step for you.
What a view.
What a view. This was one of the most wild experiences we've ever done. Now, while I don't recommend climbing up this orange ladder or down it, I do recommend you visit Tumpak Sewu. It's amazing. It's honestly like nowhere else we've ever visited. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.